Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a true icon of American luxury and excess from the golden age of Detroit, the 1967 Cadillac DeVille in a stunning coffee color. This isn't just a car, it's a rolling statement of elegance, power, and that unmistakable 1960s swagger. If you've ever dreamed of cruising like a boss from that era, stick around because this beauty is going to blow you away. Let's get into it. Imagine pulling up in this majestic machine. The 1967 DeVille represents one of the most significant updates in the model's history. Cadillac gave it a bold new look with a forward-leaning front end that commands attention, long sculptured body lines that flow gracefully along its massive frame, and redefined rear fenders that still carry just a subtle hint of those famous tail fins. This coffee-colored example, a rich, warm brown hue that catches the light like a perfectly brewed espresso, elevates the whole presence. It's sophisticated yet approachable, making the car look like it belongs parked outside a high-end lounge or gliding down a palm-lined boulevard. Starting at the front, you've got that iconic full-width, egg crate grille, flanked by those distinctive dual-stacked headlights. The vertical headlight setup gives it a powerful, modern-for-its-time stance. The chrome is abundant but tasteful, with bright work that shines against the deep coffee paint. Walk around the side, and you'll notice the clean, elongated silhouette on a generous 129.5-inch wheelbase. This thing is long, over 224 inches from bumper to bumper, giving it that imposing road presence that makes other cars look small. The body lines are crisp, with chrome side moldings running the length, and those Tiffany-style chrome signature scripts on the rear fenders just scream premium. At the rear, the taillights are integrated into the redesigned fenders, creating a wide, stable look. The trunk is enormous, perfect for weekend getaways with all the luggage you could ever need. Pop it open, and you're reminded this was built for comfort on long hauls. The coffee paint job really pops here too, with subtle metallic undertones that give it depth under sunlight. Whether it's a hardtop coupe or sedan variant, this design was a hit, and seeing one in this warm tone makes you appreciate how versatile the color palette was back then. No wonder these cars were status symbols, they look expensive even today. Now, let's swing open those massive doors and step inside the coffee-colored interior. This is where the DeVille truly earns its luxury crown. The cabin is spacious, opulent, and wrapped in rich tones that match the exterior perfectly. Imagine sinking into those plush seats upholstered in soft leather or a combination of cloth and leather in complementary shades, deep browns, warm beiges, and accents that evoke that premium coffeehouse vibe. The materials feel substantial, with high-quality stitching and padding that prioritizes comfort above all. The dashboard is a masterpiece of 1960s design, padded for safety, with an elegant layout featuring an electric clock, clear gauges behind a mylar-printed circuit panel, and plenty of chrome and wood grain accents. Automatic climate control was a standout new feature for the year, keeping things perfectly temperate no matter the outside weather. Power everything is standard or easily available, windows, seats, locks, you name it. Rear passengers aren't forgotten either, with generous legroom, armrests, and even rear cigarette lighters for that classic touch. Details abound: non-glare rear-view mirror, hazard warning system, outboard seatbelt retractors, and a slide-out fuse box for convenience. The headliner is tight, carpets luxurious, and the overall ambience is one of refined quietude. In this coffee interior, it feels warm and inviting, like wrapping yourself in a high-end leather jacket. You can picture gliding down the highway with the stereo playing, wood trim glowing softly, and every control falling perfectly to hand. It's not just transportation, it's a mobile living room that makes every journey feel special. Safety touches like the energy-absorbing steering column were ahead of their time, showing Cadillac's commitment to progress alongside pampering. Under the hood, the performance story is all about effortless power. The 1967 DeVille is motivated by a robust 429 cubic inch, 7.0-liter, V8 engine, delivering 340 horsepower at 4,600 revolutions per minute and a massive 480 lb-ft of torque at 3,000 revolutions per minute. That's connected to a smooth shifting turbo-hydromatic 3-speed automatic transmission sending power to the rear wheels. This setup isn't about neck-snapping acceleration by today's standards, think 0 to 60 in around 8 to 9 seconds, but about silky, confident propulsion. Throttle response is immediate yet refined, with that big V8 burbling to life and then settling into a quiet, authoritative hum. Highway cruising is where it shines. At 70 miles per hour, the engine is barely working, thanks to the tall gearing and impressive isolation. The suspension, independent front with a 4-link rear, soaks up bumps like a magic carpet, while variable ratio power steering makes maneuvering this land yacht surprisingly easy. Power drum brakes bring it to a halt with authority, though they require a bit of learning if you're used to modern discs. Overall, driving this DeVille feels like piloting a luxury liner on land, composed, quiet, and utterly relaxing. Fuel economy. Expect single digits in the city and teens on the highway, but who counts pennies when you're living the dream? For 1967, this was peak American luxury engineering. Technical refinements included a revised valve train, better carburetor, retuned body mounts, and a quieter engine fan. It all adds up to a driving experience that's more about presence and comfort than raw sportiness. Owners loved it for long-distance touring, arriving at destinations refreshed and stylish. In our coffee-colored example, that smooth power pairs perfectly with the elegant aesthetics. It's a car that turns heads without trying too hard. When it comes to pricing, the 1967 Cadillac DeVille was a premium proposition right from the factory. Base models started around $5,390 to $5,630 for sedans and coupes, with convertibles pushing closer to $5,600 or more depending on options. Loaded up with automatic climate control, power accessories, better radios, and other luxuries, it could easily climb into the $6,000 plus range. In today's money, that's equivalent to a high-end luxury vehicle, reflecting its position as a flagship for those who wanted the best. On the classic car market today, values vary widely based on condition, mileage, and originality. Pristine, low-mileage examples like this coffee beauty can command $20,000 to $40,000 or more, especially convertibles or well-documented survivors. Restored or modified ones might sit lower, but a solid driver-quality DeVille remains accessible for enthusiasts. Parts availability is decent thanks to the popularity of these big Cadillacs, and the community around them is passionate. Compared to modern luxury cars, it's a bargain for the sheer character and space you get. Whether you're buying for weekend cruises or as an investment, this era of DeVille holds strong appeal. Wrapping things up, the 1967 Cadillac DeVille in coffee color is more than a classic car, it's a time capsule of American ambition and artistry. From its commanding exterior presence to the enveloping luxury of that warm interior, the effortless V8 performance, and its historical significance, this machine delivers an unmatched experience. If you're lucky enough to own one or get a chance to drive it, cherish every mile. These cars remind us of an era when bigger was better, comfort was king, and style never went out of fashion. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this deep dive, hit that like button, subscribe for more classic car content, and drop a comment below. What's your favorite year of DeVille or what other classics should we cover next? Until next time, keep cruising in style. Take care, everyone.